Ever wondered how editors get those super smooth slow-motion clips that make edits look insane? Most people think it's magic, but it's actually called Twixtor clips. So today, I'm going to show you how to find high-quality 4K Twixtor clips for your edits completely free. And trust me, the last method is the easiest one, so don't skip. Quickly for beginners, Twixtor clips are clips that are already made for smooth, slow-motion editing. That's why you see those clean velocity edits on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Using good Twixtor clips can instantly make your edits look more professional. But here's the catch. Downloading massive 4K uncompressed scene packs will absolutely destroy your hard drive storage. Before you know it, your disk is in the red, your system partition is full, and After Effects starts lagging. Normally, fixing drive partitions is a risky headache, but to keep my editing rig running fast, I use 4Dig Partition Manager. It's an all-in-one disk management tool that lets you optimize your storage safely so you can download as many 4K clips as you want without crashing your PC. I'll show you exactly how it saves your workflow in a minute, but first, let's look at the best channels to get these clips. First channel is 4K Movie Shorts. This channel provides high-quality 4K Twixtor clips from movies, series, and web series like Stranger Things, Godzilla, Terminator, and many more. It also uploads Marvel and DC Twixtors that are widely used in edits, so if you create cinematic or superhero edits, this channel is a great option. Second channel is Seo and Cotton Candy. If you make edits on Hollywood female stars or Korean celebrities, especially for Instagram or TikTok, these two channels are honestly a goldmine. They provide smooth 4K Twixtor clips of different celebrities that are perfect for aesthetic and one-hand edits. Third channel is Ringwitta Hoodie and Nico 80. If you're an AMV editor and struggle to find high-quality anime Twixtors, your search ends here. These channels provide a huge collection of anime Twixtor clips in 4K quality. And if you can't find a clip on one channel, check the other one or simply visit their playlists. You'll most likely find what you need there. Now let's move to the next one. Fourth channel is Ronin. In short, we can call this channel the final boss. Because it has almost every type of 4K Twixtor you can think of. Marvel, DC, anime, cartoons, football, cars, movies, and even web series. To find clips faster, you can check the playlists or visit their website directly. Just search the Twixtor name you want, and you'll find a huge collection of high-quality clips ready for editing. Now the fifth one is not a channel, but a simple trick to find Twixtors faster. Just open YouTube search and type things like character name Twixtor 4K. This helps you find the exact Twixtor clips you need much faster instead of wasting time searching randomly. Now, once you find and download all these heavy 4K files, you need to manage your disk space efficiently. If you just upgraded to a larger SSD for your editing workflow, 4Dig Partition Manager lets you migrate your entire Windows OS to the new drive in just one click. Without losing any data or reinstalling your software, you can easily resize, extend, or split your drive partitions to create a dedicated space for your raw editing assets. It keeps your system perfectly optimized for heavy video editing. Make sure to check the link in the description and pinned comment to download the free version of 4Dig Partition Manager today. Now you know exactly how editors find 4K Twixtor clips for their edits. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials. And if this video reaches 200 comments, I'll make a video on top websites for editing resources like overlays, SFX, and transitions. So comment Twixtor if you want that tutorial.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is